So this is the Nanoleaf Shades Mini Triangles. This is an expansion pack, which means you're meant to add it on to either the big triangle set or the hexagon set. And it's not functional by itself. So let's take out the stuff and see what's in it. These are the mini triangles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 of them. And as you can see, they're pretty small. For comparison, this is a coaster. It's about the same size. Installations used to be pretty much the same as my hexagons. So each pack comes with these linkers. And what these linkers do is it passes the electricity from one panel to the other. So you clip it onto the back like that. And you create a shape that you like. You have to use these little double-sided tapes and stick them to this little piece here. So in the middle of each triangle at the back, there's this detachable piece, and you're supposed to stick the double-sided tape onto it like that. So it fits exactly on this little tab, and when you want to remove it from the wall, all you do is pull this tab downwards until the entire tape stretches, and then it will remove itself. So after you stick the double-sided tape on the tab, you clip it back on, and when you're ready to apply it to the wall, you open this bit off and just press it onto the wall for about 30 seconds, and it should stick to the wall quite fine. My hexagons have stuck to the wall without any problem. Of course, I cleaned the wall first with just a damp cloth, and none of the pieces have fallen off. It's been fixed very firmly on ever since I put them up with no issues at all.